Hi, this video is to show you how to use the site. So right now you're looking at the first page of the unit. So this is Minecraft Unit 1, and it's the home page. So when you look over here on the left, you can see there are several pages here. The next page is called a pacing tracker. So it's going to show you different examples of ways that you can see your progress. The next page, go over here, right? Click on there, and you're just going to take this pretest. And I know it says test in the name, but really it's just to see what you know already before you go through the unit. If you know anything, great. If you don't, that's fine too. It's a way to measure what you've learned because you're going to take this same test at the very end of the unit. And that way we can see what really has stuck and if there are other points that maybe I need to go over in more detail with you. So as you can see, you just click on each subject and it brings you to a new page. Every page has some kind of an explanation, and then they also include videos. And you just click on here and it will take you to whatever you need to do. You'll see here there's a wrap up. There's a wrap up 1, 2, and we have another one down here, 3. So when we press on the wrap up, for each section of the unit, there is a must do, a should do, and an aspire to do. The must do's are expected activities, and you can do this on your own time. If you're having trouble, we can do it together when we meet. But the point of this is to do this at home or during a study when you've completed everything before that, and then we'll discuss it when we get together. The should do's, I would encourage you to do. They are not required, but it can help bring you up to the next level on that specific subject. The aspire to do is if maybe there's something that really interests you and you want to take it up a notch and you want to get a deeper understanding of it. The aspire to do will take you there. The more of the activities that you choose to do, the better that it's going to get solidified into your brain, and the easier it will be to access this information in the future when you really need it. So that's basically it. I'm going to bring you back to the home page. And if you have any questions, we can talk about it in person. And there's some links down here. Just kind of have a look at it. And when we meet for our first time, we'll go over it together. All right.